So this is a Karstens OD grinder. It was rebuilt 4 years ago or so, and I used it mostly just for hobby projects. Basically everything works. It's all 100% turnkey. Has a power head. You could spin it forward, reverse, and then the center spindle locks if needed for driving it with the drive dog. Locks, and then you can put a drive dog in here with the bolt, the center spring loaded. The head slides forward, backward, water supply, coolant. The head has its own oil and pressurized bearings. This is a hydraulic one, everything's on hydraulic movement. Ways are hydraulic. The feed bolt for the grinder head is also uses hydraulic fluid to remove backlash. Basically, yeah. Have extra wheels, extra hub, and a wheel puller. So it's set up right now for single phase 200 to 240 volts. The only thing that doesn't work is the automatic feed in. Not sure if something is loose inside or whatever, but everything else works. I used it manually. The fine feed works, this one. This feed works. Coolant works. And then the work head and its variable speed. And you have forward and reverse. And then the grinder. Runs very smooth and quiet. So yeah, I can load it on your trailer.